Hello, this is a new Lego puzzle box. I think I make a new serie, find the money, and you're gonna find the money in this. This is the first one you saw. Here's Lego box. Yeah. So, to get your first key, you see this. You're gonna push this. So go out, and sometimes when you push out, it can fall down there. You just open it like this, but it would say just pull it out. So, then if you try to push here, something blocks it and you won't get anything. But if you push here, this come out, and what you wanna do next, you see it's a red here, red piece here. So you wanna push here until it stop like that. Then you wanna take this piece and push it like that, if you can see. Then you see it's a key there, so you wanna take it out. If you wanna try it out, nothing. If it would come out a little, something would come out a little, you wouldn't be able to take it out or grab it. So take your key and put it in, and here is your money. And now he gets happy.